So that's the absolute function, and I think we're just about at the end. Now we're going to look at data types. So let's take a close look at the type keyword and see how that works. So if you look here, 42 is an integer, so if we print out its type, this should put integer on the console, and likewise 4.2 is a decimal number or float, and the last one is a string. So in section 16, we have to do something similar. So let's go ahead and print out the type of each one. So let's print out an integer. Okay, so pick any integer. I'll pick the number 23, and then print something out that is a float. Okay, so we'll take the number 5.333. That is definitely a float or decimal. And then we're going to print out the type of a string. So let's get any string in here. So we'll put in here Python as our string. And when we run it, we can see the three different types corresponding to the three data types that we entered. So we want to finish off this part here on functions, and then you have three reviews here. They're very easy. Just go through all three of them, and when you're done, you can begin working on the next unit. So we're still in chapter 5, or still in chapter 4, but we will continue with taking a vacation. So just continue with that one after finishing functions.